Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy.C. Thank you guys so much for coming back, and if you're new here, welcome. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how I install these new locks. So I bought 3 packs of the new locks, and each pack come with 21 strands, and I also bought a twisted up, or you can call it spring twist, and each bundle come with 10 strands. So I separate each pieces of the spring twist into 3. So my hair is already pre-parted, as you guys can see. So I have 60 plaits in my head already. So all I did was take down each and detangle my hair before I start the process. So after detangling, I braid the hair down 3 inches. After I braid my hair halfway down, I take one of the new locks, then I open the loop, put part of my ear into it, put the lock in my mouth to hold it steady, then I start braiding my hair down a few more steps. Then I put some edge control to the base of my hair to make it look slick. After putting the edge control, I use this white thing that I took from my bead pan. I rather use this than using the pin, because the pin tend to pull on ear that I don't want it to pull on. So I get the spring twist, twirl it around, put it through the white thing, I don't remember what it is called. Then I pull my ear down, then I start wrapping the ear from the base going down. So I'm going to continue the same process throughout my head. I am going to detangle the ear, braid my hair halfway down. Then I am going to open the loop of the new lock, put it onto the ear, put it in my mouth to keep it steady. Then I just braid the rest of my hair down, after which I add some edge control to the base, so I would say the root of my hair. Then I take the bead applicator, or whatever it is called, put it in the ear, then I twirl the end of the spring twist, put it through the loop, then I pull the ear through, then I start wrapping the spring twist around my ear from the root. After I'm finished with that, I just make a knot at the end, as you're going to see. Then I use my hand to rub over the ear to keep it in place. Then I'm going to continue the process throughout my entire head. So guys, I decided to take a whole day break from doing this style because I was tired and lazy. Now I am back at it, so this is the next day. I'm going to show you guys how I do this part in slow motion at the front with these four. So first I detangle the hair, then first I unravel the hair, then I detangle the hair. So after detangling the hair, I braid the hair about 3/4 way down because I want them to be the same length as the rest in the back. So now I take the new locks, as you guys can see, then I open the loop, put my finger through it, and then I'm going to take one part of my hair, put it through that loop. I'm going to take the lock and put it in my mouth to keep it steady as I did at the back before. Then I'm going to finish braiding the hair down, and I'm going to do the same for the other three. Just put on the locks to make it a little easier and faster for me. So guys, this is the finished look, and oh my god, this style took me like 8 hours. 8 hours. And also guys, as you know that you can do different styles with this hairstyle, so I'm going to do my best to give you guys a little video on maybe 1 or 2 style with this hairstyle before I take them out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and you can just comment in the comment section, tell me if you like the style and what have you. The only problem I had with this style was that my partings were a little bit stale because I had them for a week, but yeah, they're looking good. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. Once again, don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.